Muscle car corner here. Let's check out some of these cars that they're unloading. We've got a lot of cars being unloaded now. It's a busy time in here for everybody to get their cars here and get them out of the trailer and crank them. Get some of that snow off of them from snow we got outside here. It's the first time I've ever been in Chicago before, and I tell you, I love it, except for the snow. You talking about a rare AMC? I've never seen one of these. An SC360. This is an oddity here. Wow, I've never seen one before. Thought I'd seen it all. Neat car. And all the carriers bringing these in. Wow, look at this Chevelle. Super sweet. SS 454. What do we got up in here? Got some goodies coming out. Ooh, the carbon's thick in here. Nice old GTO. Let's get back in the back here. We got a bunch of cars back here. See if she'll crank. From Michigan. Oh, 421 Bonneville. You don't see these too often. 2+2. Paint's a little bit be desired, but I don't know if it's original paint car or what. Just needs some polishing.
It was here last time.
It's AMX. Wow. As I go through these cars, I'm going to bring you the ones that I like the best. All makes and models, not just Mopar. I'm going to make sure I get everybody covered at this show. Look at this. I've seen some rare AMC products. This car is cool looking. Little Rambler, I guess it is. Yeah. Rambler Rogue. It's a cool looking color on this car. I don't know if that's factory or not. It is a 4-speed car. Pretty rare little piece. This must be the part of the Corvette section back here. Got quite a few vets. Ooh, a nice eliminator. Putting all the lifts up. Assembling those. W30 442. Super sweet. Ah, I love this Belvedere. Hemi Belvedere. It's a Hemi inside. Hemi. This thing is tough. Let's take a look on through what we got over here. California Challenger. California car. SS 454 El Camino. Look at that Tornado. That thing is nice. Nice little 340 Duster. Duster. 455 HO. Hello HO. Little DZ 302 Camaro. It's beautiful 427s. Tri-power. 435 horse. 427 66 model. Love this color on this Stinger. All right, what do we got coming out here? 69 Super B. Super sweet little B. It's a B. A12 car.
Stay here. Let's go.
Ooh, look at this. 440 Cuda convertible. Oh my. Oh my, oh my. 446 barrel. Cuda convertible. I don't know if it's a clone, but if it's real, they made very few of these cars. Man. Super sweet, sweet, super sweet. I love this damn A12 Super B. You see very few of these in this color. It's just amazing in this color.
Let's go, Brad.
Well, it's just giving you some of the preview of what we got going on here. Here in a little bit, I'm waiting on Stunker to get here. His plane was running late. I think we're going to go to Gibson's and have a steak tonight. And talk about what we're going to do here. He's going to be involved with Mecum quite a bit. And he's going to MC the A990 cars. He's going to document and talk about those cars in depth. That should be interesting. I'm going to film all that while he's doing it. Put it on my channel. Look at these. Wow. 71 Cuda. Yeah, 71 RT 440 6-pack. Challenger. Black with white interior. Oh my. This car is a turn on here, boy. You don't see these Challengers in black too often. And it is a 446 car. Simply amazing. The white interior just looks so cool on it. Man, I love it. I'd much rather have a Cuda than a Challenger, but this one fits the bill for me, man. Love the black. It's from Florida, too. They followed me here. This Cuda's from New York. Well, I'm going to go ahead and wrap this video up at 10 minutes so y'all can enjoy this. And Just amazing what we got here today. I tell you, I love it. I'm going to leave you with this 446 pack Challenger. Beautiful car.